Spring is here. It's time to plant some flowers. Now we can see flowers everywhere we go in the street. Yes, so beautiful. It's time to buy some flowers. Muda wa kununua maua ndo umefika. Haya tominazi, si ni michikichi. Haka ni kama 30,000 ya nyumbani nadhani. It's time to buy something. Let me choose which one to buy. And we have a big dog here. Are you guiding something? A big, I think, German shepherd or something like that. I'm not like a really dog person or a dog lover, so I don't know the name. But he's sweet. He's not barking at me. Now I don't know which one to choose. They are all beautiful. Oh my goodness. Haya mazuri sana, korona 16. Korona 16, Margarita. Spansky Margarita. Let me see. I am not so sure. This will get big. So maybe I can just take one box. This color is nice. 55 krona. Ni kama 30,000 ya nyumbani. Let me see this one. Haka box. Kama 30,000 ya bonga. So, decision. Okay. I think I'm going to go with this one. Yeah, that's it. Many choices, but this one caught my eyes. I will go with that. These are so beautiful. Okay, let's go. Maybe this. Haya mazuri. That is rhubarb. Oh my goodness. There we have viola. Climax. There we have hydrangeas, babinum. Spanish Marguerite. Here we have Dianthus. There we have a Petunia. These are very beautiful, but my goodness, expensive. 50,000 ya bongo. Ako kakopo kamoja. They are also beautiful. Then we have Dicondum. And we have Coleus. But I think it's too cold to plant them outside here in Denmark. Maybe inside. Very beautiful Coleus.